Complaining witness tried to break up the fight, and while doing so, the defendant grabbed him by the genitals and would not let go. Both complaining witnesses felt pain/discomfort. Injuries were observed on the complaining witnesses.
This is your second assault case. Why so angry?
It's not that, because it's not that.
It's not funny. It's what's next? An aggravated assault where you pull a gun on something, where you're looking at up to 20 years in prison? We'll appoint you a lawyer, but today it's already 1 o'clock and everybody's gone. We can give you an application. Come back to us in a couple weeks or whenever you want, and I can appoint your lawyer. If you want to come back tomorrow, we can have you come back tomorrow and we can give you a lawyer tomorrow.
On Saturday?
Are you Geneva Ortega?
Geneva.
Ortega. Ma'am, you're charged with assault bodily injury. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, ma'am. Okay.
This one's long, Your Honor. On June 24th, 2024, officers were dispatched to a road rage incident and spoke with 2 complaining witnesses who advised that the incident started at the gate of their apartment complex as they were trying to leave. The defendant's car was stopped in front of the gate, and complaining witness then honked her horn so she can move her car out of the way. The complaining witness made a right turn to...
Hold on. Co-defendant. Are you Ms. Torres? Ma'am, you're charged with assault bodily injury. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You speak English, correct? Okay. So I think where we left off, you said that there was a defendant's car was by the front gate of apartment complex.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
And the complaining witness 1 honked her horn so she can move the car out of the way. The complaining witness 1 made a right turn to go westbound on West Little York, and complaining witness 1 and co-defendant stopped at a red light. The co-defendant, Ms. Torres, started throwing things at her car. They went westbound on West Little and then made a right at Eldridge, and defendant Torres yelled, "Pull over, let's fight." The complaining witness 2 said that they continued going northbound on North Eldridge, and the defendant brake checked her several times before stopping in front of the complaining witness.
Yeah, road rage parties never end well.
It's like something I see out of YouTube, man.
Defendant then got out of the passenger seat, walked up to the complaining witness 1's vehicle, attempted to open the side door to remove her from the vehicle. Complaining witness 2 got out of the passenger seat to prevent defendant from opening the driver's side door. The defendant was able to open complaining witness's 1 door because when complaining witness 2 opened the door, it unlocked all of the doors. The defendant grabbed complaining witness 1, dragged her out of the vehicle by the hair, struck her with a closed fist towards her head, scratched her, and threw her in the dirt. Complaining witness
So
tried...
who did that specific? Was that
Defendant
Ortega or Torres?
Ortega. And then complaining witness tried to break up the fight, and while doing so, the defendant grabbed him by the
Yeah, that's a wrap on the I was defending myself argument.
genitals and would not let go. Both complaining witnesses felt pain/discomfort. Injuries were observed on the complaining witnesses, and the defendant, Ortega, admitted to the assault but said the complaining witnesses were the aggressors. Witness and video confirmed that the defendant was the aggressor. As far as
What about the
defendant number 2,
genitalia grab, Pavel? No one charged on that one?
I don't know. It's probably,
You know?
yeah, not as of right now.
Ladies, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. Ms. Ortega, if I send you for a drug test right now, what are you going to test positive for?
Nothing.
I'm sending you for a drug test right now. You too, Ms. Torres. I expect you guys to come back. At that time, we'll talk about your lawyer. If you do not come back, I will set your bond extremely high. I'm done playing games. I will not stand for it. I'm going to do everything in my power to protect every single person of Harris County. Do you understand? If I find that you violate that, I will do that to you guys. and I will revoke your bond, make it extremely high. You understand? Who was driving in this caper?
It was Ortega.
Ms. Ortega, do you have a Texas driver license?
I was
Actually,
not
let me,
I was driving.
Do you have a Texas driver license? I'm ordering you as a condition of your bond not to have any contact with the complaining witness in this case, not to be in possession of weapons. I'm sending you now for a test and then you must come back. Do you understand? Okay, take a seat for me. Ms. Torres, Ms. Ortega, come up, please.
oh, Tracy said she's back.
Okay, so we'll do the conditions now and then we can tell Tracy.
19 years old, already this deep. That ain't a phase, that's a.
Okay. Ms. Torres, you tested positive for marijuana. I am now making it a condition that you are not to smoke. I'm telling you that you will be tested 31 days from today. Guess what happens if you test positive? Right. You hold the keys to the jail cell. How old are you? How old are you?
19.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a bartender.
Where?
The Zone Sports Bar.
Did you graduate from high school? Like I said, you've been ordered not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, unprescribed controlled medication. I will bring you back in 31 days to test you. How much money do you make a month?
Maybe like 1,000.
Okay, I will appoint you a lawyer, but today's already 1 o'clock. It's too late. So what we'll do is I will give you an application. You can take it back with you. And the next time you come, you can give it back to us and we'll appoint you a lawyer. You will get tested again. No more smoking. I will not accept any kind of explanation. I was in a car and other people were smoking. Someone gave me a gummy. I didn't know what it is. I don't care and I will not entertain excuses. Do not have any contact. And the problem is, Ms. Torres, is this is at 19. This is your second assault case. Why so angry?
It's not
Funny.
that, because it's not that.
It's not funny. It's what's next? An aggravated assault where you pull a gun on something, where you're looking at up to 20 years in prison? All it takes, the thing is, look at me. The thing is that, you don't get many chances in life, but to reflect and look at what you're doing and thinking to yourself, oh my God, if I do this, what's going to happen? If I say this, what's going to happen? Ma'am, think before you act. Sometimes.
Sorry.
That's when it hurts. If you can't look at me in the face, am I speaking truth? I'm not. She's what?
The moment the judge pivots to mom has cancer.
Is this the proper response because mom has cancer? What if she really needs your help and you're in custody? Who's going to take care of mom? What kind of cancer do you have? What do you do for a living, ma'am?
I work for a radiology doctor and an oncology doctor.
Okay. Do you, are you married, ma'am? How many children do you have? I will appoint you a lawyer, but today it's already 1 o'clock and everybody's gone. We can give you an application. come back to us in a couple weeks or whenever you want, and I can appoint your lawyer. If you want to come back tomorrow, we can have you come back tomorrow and we can give you a lawyer tomorrow.
On Saturday?
Oh, tomorrow's Saturday. Hell no. I meant Monday. I'm not coming tomorrow. You're not even dragging me.
She's a good girl.
It's a second assault case.
The first
though.
one, can
It's
you explain to him that?
actions speak louder than words. What you tell me goes in one ear, goes out the other. Paper dictates.
You read it.
Well, I'm not going to read it. I'm just telling you what I see.
Because you see the word that says assault, you're assuming that it was my fault. That's why I said all you have to do is read it. This situation,
I don't want to talk about this case, but
your situation,
the problem is this case. And from what they've read, I will let you pick whatever day you want to come back. You can come back together, okay? The only thing I'm asking you, both of you guys, do not pick up any new cases. Do not get in any more fights. Don't drink alcohol, don't use any dope, and you'll be fine with me, okay? I will have you go to Victoria. You guys can pick whatever date you want to come back. Come back, bring the paperwork, come early, and then we can appoint your lawyers early. That way you don't have to wait this long as well. Okay,
I can come on that day, the first one is at 10:30 a.m., the second one is at 12 a.m. I can come right after that. It's at 12.
no, we're done usually, yeah, because lawyers are usually gone and out of here by 12:30. So, I mean, you can come Tuesday if you want early, you can come Wednesday, any day you want to come. You can come the following week too, if you want. So I'm not, you can come next week, you come the following week, whatever you want. I'm not, I'll give you up to, 30 days for you to decide what day you want to come back. My only concern is I don't want any more trouble. That's all. And I want our streets to be safe, imagine Ms. Torres and Ms. Ortega, what if you had gotten out and the other person has a gun? Do you know how many cases we see here where people get shot because they get out with this road rage? I mean, look, the DA, he's shaking his head over there, man. How many cases we have, you just get out of the car, you start walking, another person's got a gun, they start shooting. Even to officers, it happens. Yeah. All right. Enough preaching. I'll have you guys go over there. You guys are gonna have to wait just a little bit for Tracy to get back. Once you sign your bond conditions, you guys are free to go. Okay?
I got a message to my phone saying I have to pick up a portable.
So maybe they were conditions from the magistrate.
Perhaps the magistrate put like an
said it-
ankle monitor on you.
The paper that y'all gave me from right here, it says they're portable for my car. This the text message.
Torres,
Mhm.
just haven't taken note about any portable for.
Yeah, I know. It's gotta be perhaps from the magistrate. I don't know.
What's the case number on this case, so I can look it up?
251
251
7262.
7262.
I,
She put it on,
I don't see it.
what did she say, portable?
Judge, it says that on the general conditions of release of and supervision.
You saw that, Ramona?
Yeah, Judge, it's on there on her new case.
Where? I don't see it.
Is this Torres, Olivia Torres?
Yeah.
It's her general conditions of release and supervision,
From
right underneath her bond condition. I mean, her bond.
under that capias thing?
No, it's right under the capias.
It says if you're charged with a DWI. Second, install an ignition interlock.
So that's what she's talking about. And maybe it doesn't apply to this case, but
Yeah,
That's why she got
it
that.
doesn't apply here. I don't know. Tracy, can you see if Ms. Torres has been ordered to have an interlock? Do you need the cause number? I don't see it. Regardless, if they had ordered it on you, I will take it off. Just don't consume, don't use. They're going to call you to take a drug test or an alcohol test. And I am going to test you 31 days. Just as long as you don't use any dope, you'll be fine. And no alcohol. All right. All right.